Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and this week I've got a really short video for you. One of the questions that we've gotten about Blunami is what happens if I get a phone call? So let's explore that. So let's take a look. Now, a lot of times when you're using the Blunami, one of the biggest fears is because you're using your phone and the app on your phone, what happens if somebody calls? Now, I know there's some other programs out there that if you were to venture away from your screen, that the locomotive would actually come to a stop and your app would shut down or shut the locomotive down and not allow you to continue running. Now, in this particular case, the Blunami app allows you to continue doing whatever you're wanting to do. Whether you're talking on the phone, it'll still give you control of your locomotive, or you can actually bring it to a stop. Whichever you want to do, you have control. So we're going to go ahead and do this really quickly now. So we're going to have somebody randomly happen to call in on the phone. So I've got my screen up here that you can see. And if I get a phone call while I'm sitting here talking, oh no. So the screen recording apparently stopped working when the phone call came in. But I have my screen here. You can see that I've got Graham on the phone. And look, my app is still here. I still have full control of my decoder while I'm still talking to Graham. And let's see here. Graham, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
So we're going to go back to my Blunami control. You can see my screen recording stopped the minute he called, but I've got Graham on the phone and I'm talking to him. Graham, go ahead and say hello to the cameras.
Hi, everybody.
And I have control of my locomotive just like I would before. Now, I can minimize the screen and take it away and go back to the phone call, and then I can manage the phone call. So this way it allows you to either let your train run if you're just running it around, watching it, or you can take the phone call, whichever you want. So Graham, thanks for your help. We're going to let you go. Goodbye.
All right, enjoy running your trains. Bye.
So for those of you guys who are worried about how the control of the decoder will run if you get a phone call, the good news is it doesn't interrupt your control whatsoever. So you can reliably use those Blunamis the way you want to. So I hope this short little video has been helpful for you. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos. And if you're not watching our podcast, you ought to tune in and see what you're missing. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.